plus m. Take m square plus m on the other side. So it will be m square plus m and minus sign outside, right? So the equation will be x square minus x minus bracket m square plus m equals to 0. Now what is given? Roots are equal. See here, what have we done? We have just solved this equation by now. Means the condition remains the same now. The roots are equal. We have just removed all these denominators and brought it to a simple form. Ax square plus bx plus c. Right? Now roots are same means what? This b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now what is b over here? Minus 1. Minus 1 square minus 4 into a is 1. C is what? This along with this minus sign, right? Minus m square minus m equals to 0. Solve this. So you get 4 into m square minus m equals to minus 1. Okay, means this becomes plus 1. Take on the other side, it becomes minus 1. Therefore, m into m minus 1 equals to minus 1 by 4. See this. Even I got into this trap. This is a trap. 4 m square minus m equals to minus 1. Then take 4 on the other side. And you get m into m minus 1 over here equals to minus 1 by 4. Then solve. You will head it nowhere over here. What you do, simple step is, solve it this way. This is easier. 4m square minus 4m plus 1. This one. 4m square minus 4m. This plus 1. 1 on this side. Keep this above equation only. So, 4m square minus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. So, you solve this, you get 2m minus 1 the whole square equals to 0. Therefore, 2m minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, 2m equals to 1. Therefore, m equals to half. So, this is possible when m equals to half. That is the answer. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Think behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.